If you've ever searched on Google or watched YouTube, you've used a service from Alphabet, one of the world's tech giants. Alphabet is a parent company, with Google, YouTube, and Waymo self-driving cars as its most famous children. Most people just say Google, but Alphabet's reach is much wider, powering our digital lives through search, maps, and email. For years, Alphabet's main business was advertising. Companies pay big money to show you ads on Google and YouTube. This ad revenue made Alphabet incredibly wealthy, funding everything from AI research to self-driving cars. But Alphabet isn't just about ads anymore. It's rapidly expanding into new areas, especially Google Cloud. Google Cloud rents out powerful computers and software to other businesses, helping them store data, run websites, and build AI. This shift means Alphabet is becoming essential infrastructure for the digital economy, not just a consumer brand. By investing in cloud and AI, Alphabet is preparing for a future where it powers the technology behind countless companies. Diversifying beyond ads makes Alphabet stronger and more resilient. It's a story of a tech giant learning new tricks to stay on top. Alphabet is determined to lead the next era of innovation. On October 29, 2025, Alphabet announced it made over $100 billion in a single quarter for the first time ever. That's more than many countries make in a year, a milestone that shows just how massive Alphabet has become. Even as one of the world's largest companies, Alphabet's revenue grew 16% from last year, surprising experts. This strong growth boosted investor confidence, sending Alphabet stock up over 4% in after-hours trading. A rising stock price signals the market's belief in Alphabet's strategy and future, especially with booming cloud and AI divisions. A $100 billion quarter means the digital economy is bigger and more integrated into our lives than ever. Businesses and consumers are spending huge amounts on digital services, from ads to cloud computing. For Alphabet, it's proof that investments in AI and cloud are paying off. The company is now a pillar of the world's tech infrastructure, not just a search engine or video platform. Alphabet's role in shaping the future of technology has never been clearer. Alphabet's $100 billion quarter comes from several powerful business engines. Google Search remains the core, bringing in $56.6 billion, still the world's go-to gateway to the internet. YouTube is another giant, earning $10.26 billion in ad revenue as it competes with traditional TV for viewers and advertisers. Altogether, Alphabet's ad businesses generated $74.18 billion this quarter. But not all of that is profit. Alphabet pays $14.87 billion in traffic acquisition costs to partners who help bring users to Google. After all expenses, Alphabet's net income was just under $35 billion, a 33% jump from last year. This surge in profit shows Alphabet is not just growing, but running more efficiently than ever. The company can now reinvest in research, build new data centers, and make strategic acquisitions. Google Search and YouTube remain the financial engines, but the company's ability to turn revenue into profit is what fuels its future. This financial strength lets Alphabet take bold bets on new technology. It's a cycle, strong profits fund innovation, which leads to more growth. Alphabet's business model is working better than ever. The company is setting the pace for the entire tech industry. The real headline this quarter is the explosive growth of Google Cloud. Google Cloud rents out computing power and software to businesses, and its revenue soared to $15.2 billion, a 35% jump from last year. This growth outpaces the rest of Alphabet, showing how crucial cloud is to the company's future. Google Cloud is now a serious rival to Amazon and Microsoft, winning over more big customers every quarter. Its backlog, signed contracts for future services, has ballooned to $155 billion, signaling long-term demand. This backlog gives Alphabet a stable, predictable revenue stream for years to come. Google Cloud's rise is transforming Alphabet from a consumer company into a major enterprise technology provider. With cloud as a second engine, Alphabet is less dependent on advertising. This diversification is key to its long-term strength. Alphabet is now a foundational player in the global tech infrastructure. The secret behind Google Cloud's surge? Artificial intelligence. The AI boom has created massive demand for computing power, something Google Cloud is uniquely positioned to provide. Google's own AI models, like Gemini, and custom chips called TPUs, are now available to businesses through its cloud. Companies rent Google's AI tools to build chatbots, generate images, and analyze data, making Google Cloud the go-to platform for cutting-edge AI. The demand is unprecedented. Businesses are signing huge long-term deals to secure the AI power they need. Google's focus on AI sets it apart from other cloud providers. By offering the best AI infrastructure, Alphabet profits from the AI gold rush, no matter who builds the next big thing. This strategy is driving massive revenue growth and cementing Google's role at the heart of the AI revolution. Alphabet is supplying the tools for the next era of technology. Google Cloud's success is also built on smart partnerships with top AI companies. OpenAI, creator of ChatGPT, now uses Google Cloud alongside Microsoft, a huge endorsement of Google's tech. Meta, the parent of Facebook and Instagram, signed a $10 billion deal to use Google Cloud for its AI needs. These deals show that even the biggest tech players trust Google's infrastructure for their most advanced projects. Another major partnership is with Anthropic, a leading AI safety company, which will use up to 1 million of Google's custom AI chips. This deal could bring Alphabet up to $10 billion a year and deeply integrates Google's technology into the AI industry. By powering both partners and competitors, Google ensures it benefits from the entire AI ecosystem. It's a strategy that turns rivals into customers and fuels Google Cloud's rapid rise. Google is becoming the backbone of the AI world. No matter who wins the AI race, Alphabet profits. To meet soaring demand, Alphabet is investing record amounts in infrastructure, building massive data centers filled with servers and custom AI chips. The company raised its 2025 capital spending plan to as much as $93 billion, up from $75 billion at the start of the year. This rapid increase shows just how fast demand for Google's cloud and AI services is growing. These data centers are the backbone of the digital world, enabling everything from streaming to AI. Alphabet's leaders see this as a long-term bet. Today's spending will power tomorrow's growth. By building at this scale, Alphabet is creating a moat that's hard for competitors to cross. The company expects to keep ramping up investment in 2026 and beyond. It's a bold move, but one that could secure Alphabet's dominance for the next decade. Every new data center is a foundation for future profits. Despite its success, Alphabet faces real challenges. Regulatory pressure is mounting, especially in Europe, where the EU fined Google $3.45 billion for alleged unfair practices in advertising tech. These legal battles are costly and force Alphabet to adapt its business. Governments worldwide are wary of big tech's power, creating a complex environment for Alphabet to navigate. At the same time, competition is intensifying, especially from AI-focused companies. Partners like OpenAI could become major threats. OpenAI's new AI-powered browser, Atlas, aims to bypass Google search entirely. This is a direct challenge to Google's most profitable business. As AI chatbots become more capable, people may turn to them for answers instead of traditional search. Alphabet must now reinvent its own search product with AI, without disrupting its lucrative ad business. It's a delicate balancing act with high stakes. The rise of AI is both an opportunity and a threat. Alphabet's future depends on how well it adapts. Alphabet's $100 billion quarter marks a turning point. The company is evolving from an ad-driven giant to a diversified tech powerhouse. Google Cloud, fueled by AI, is now a second engine for growth and stability. Massive investments in data centers and AI infrastructure show Alphabet is betting on the long-term future of technology. The company's leaders are thinking beyond the next quarter. They're building the platform for the next decade. But challenges remain. Regulatory scrutiny and fierce new competitors are real threats. Alphabet must embrace AI's disruptive potential without undermining its core business. This transition will require bold leadership and adaptability. Still, Alphabet's resources, talent, and vision put it in a strong position. The company is building the infrastructure for an AI-powered world. Alphabet is poised to remain one of the most influential companies for years to come.